looks clear. Fuck, he left. Is he on? The hell?
Take a screenshot of that.
Yeah, I'm recording, bro.
Dude,
What is this doing here, man?
that's what I just said. Yep. I spotted that fucker. I was like, oh no. Yes, sir. Oh, there goes somebody. Who was that? See him just fly through the air? Oh, it's our, okay, it's them. Oh, can the army see our flobby?
With us yesterday.
Oh yeah, hey, army was with us during that raid yesterday, weren't they? No,
The second one, the first one.
no, I'm saying that's how the gang house knew we were coming.
So there's
What's up, bro?
someone on the inside.
What's
How you
up,
doing,
guys?
Well, our dog went missing. We're just trying to track it down. You ever
Oh
seen
shit, you
a
got a
small
dog
white?
too?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I've been missing my dog Hefe. It got lost in the army for some reason. I couldn't find it.
Oh man. Yeah, that sucks, brother.